My level of commitment to becoming a good copywriter is very serious. Not only to pass this class, but to be able to perform some of the job actions that are required in this industry. To be a good copywriter is to be able to give the talent, add something to go off of that will generate interest and a buzz about something that you either are selling or want to inform the community that listens about. The attributes that I possess that I think will make me a good copywriter is my ability to write. My ability to write, I feel, is very well. Um, I think that I can, with any amount of time, if I have to put something to thought and be able to elaborate on what I need to do with it, and also having a knowledge of what I'm trying to do. It just helps me make the best product that I possibly can. The professional application with copywriting that interests me the most would have to be freelancing because it just gives you an opportunity to delve into so many different fields throughout broadcast and not just one area. You kind of get a taste of everything from your local grocery stores to sports teams. You just get a little bit of everything. So when it comes time for you to choose one, you have knowledge of a lot of other things already. You're not just coming in brand new. You have a prior knowledge, and I think that interests me the most because it can help you out in a lot of different ways.